Well, guys, I got the main portion of the floor pan done today. Everything except for where we start to go up and build the fascia. But I'll work on that another day. I still have to think that through to be able to weld all the pieces on and still have access to all of the wiring and the pedals, and it has to be serviceable. That's my go-to on this build. Is I hate it when you can't work on a vehicle because the engineers built it in such a way that it's just a waste of time trying to work on it. As always, I'm going to be transparent on the channel as well. I boogered up a big old hole pretty bad right here. So no excuses really, but I ran out of argon about partway through, and boy, this area was just a bear working for whatever reason. Whether it was I was low on argon or the settings on the welder were wrong. I'm not perfect. I don't expect anyone else to be perfect, but you know, you see some of those YouTube channels out there where everything is absolutely perfect. There was never any problems. It's just not reality. So I figured I'd share that with you guys, that I did screw up on that point. It's not really going to make a difference. I mean, it's just a snowcat. It's not a show car or anything like that. But I did get, you know, all of the floor pans done that I wanted to. I left a nice 1/8 inch lip right around the side here. That'll come in handy when we start putting the side panels on and welding all the side panels on. And I'm down to like 20 psi of argon, and all my bottles are empty, so I have to run over to the welding place and get the bottles refilled. So, but as far as today goes, I think that's going to be it. Oh, one other thing I forgot to tell you guys in the last episode. Let me show you something I scored on Facebook Marketplace. Look at this bad boy. It's a 250 watt panel, and I got it for 80 bucks off of Facebook Marketplace. It's a used panel, but it was manufactured in like 2017. So it's still got a lot of life left in it. I figure that'll come in handy for the rooftop of Rusty when we get to that point. Man, this is going really good. I'm really happy with how this is turning out. I hope you guys are enjoying this build. The next few episodes are going to be nothing but the same thing. Plasma cut, weld. Plasma cut, weld. Just a whole bunch of that to get past this point of the project. But I'm hoping that you guys are staying safe and you're healthy. But other than that, guys, take care, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.